What's Uncle Tommy doing?
Uncle Tommy. It's Uncle Tommy. It's Uncle Tommy.
Uncle Tommy sleeping?
Mm-hmm.
Or is he at work?
Mm-hmm.
Is Uncle Tommy working?
Mm-hmm.
What's Uncle Tommy doing?
No.
Do you miss Aunt Kimmy?
Mm-hmm.
Can you say, miss you, Aunt Kimmy? Take your spoon out of your mouth and say it. Say, miss you, Aunt Kim. Hey, take your spoon out of your mouth. Ooh, don't do that. Hey, do you miss Uncle Tommy? Say, hey, Uncle Tommy. Say, you smell, Uncle Tommy. Say, miss you, Uncle Dane. Uh-oh.
Oh, no. My
Hey, Marley. Can you say, hey, Uncle Tommy? Say it. Say, hey, Uncle Tommy.
Uncle Tom.
Uncle Tom. That's kind of goofy.
Uncle Tom.
Does Uncle Tom stink?
No.
Oh, he doesn't? Can you say, Uncle Tommy, you're stinky?
No. Please don't.
Does Aunt Kimmy stink?
Mm-hmm.
She does! Oh, no, she doesn't. Hey, does Uncle Dane stink?
No.
Does he?